Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be taking a look at how to stream movies on Stremio in 2025. Stremio is a free media center application that allows you to stream movies, TV shows, and other video content from various sources using add-ons. I will guide you on how to set it up and start streaming. But before we get started, a quick disclaimer. While Stremio itself is a legitimate platform, some add ons may provide access to copyrighted content without permission. Streaming copyrighted material illegally is against the law, and I don't support it. This guide is intended for educational purposes only, and I am not responsible for how you choose to use Stremio. Also, the availability and functionality of add ons can change, so what works today might not work tomorrow. I've gathered information from various online sources, including VPN Mentor and safety detectives, but I cannot guarantee that all add ons will be safe or reliable. If you want to see the step by step guide of how to stream movies on Stremio, here's how. First, download and install the Stremio application from the official Stremio website, which is stremio.com for your device, whether it's Windows, Mac OS, or Android. Launch the app and create a new account or log in if you already have one. To stream content, you'll need to install add-ons. Click the jigsaw puzzle icon in the top right corner to open the add-ons section. Browse through the available add-ons and install the ones you want. Some popular and safe add-ons include Watch Hub, helps you find where movies and TV shows are available to stream legally, linking to services like Netflix and Amazon Prime Videos. The YouTube add-ons lets you watch YouTube videos without ads, while archive.org movies provides access to public domain movies that are not copyrighted, allowing you to stream them legally for free. Now go back to Stremio board or use the Discover tab to find the movie you want to watch. Click on the movie and Stremio will play the available sources from the add-ons you've installed. Select a source and start streaming. To protect your privacy and security, consider using a VPN, especially when streaming from third-party add-ons. A VPN encrypts your internet traffic and hides your IP address, preventing your ISP from tracking your streaming activity. If you encounter any issues, here are a few troubleshooting tips. If an add-on isn't working, try uninstalling and reinstalling it. Also, make sure the add-on is up to date. Second, buffering issues can be caused by a slow internet connection or a poor source. Try selecting a different source or improving your internet speed. And if no sources are available for a particular movie, try installing additional add-ons. And that's it. You now know how to stream movies on Stremio in 2025. Remember to use Stremio responsibly and respect copyright laws. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more content.